This is the new BMW M8 Competition. I'm smiling all the day driving this beautiful coupe. Just look at the design. I love it. It is breathtakingly good looking. The long bonnet, the 20-inch rims, the low roofline, it makes it all perfect.
Yeah, how we getting it? Yeah. How we getting it? Yeah. How we getting it?
This car has also the carbon exterior package. Just look at the carbon roof to keep the weight down. Carbon mirrors with a different shape. The front end, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And it is so fast, 0 to 62 in just 3.2 seconds. The front bumper has the carbon details around the air intakes. The front bumper is very low to the ground. It has big air intakes and it looks very aggressive and menacing. I love it. It has no fog lights because this is the real deal, the M8 Competition. And just look at the kidney grille, double blades finished in a high gloss black color, and they are open all the time because this car has a monster of an engine and it needs cold air. It has the M8 logo finished in a black color. And look at the beautiful headlight system of BMW. This car has also the laser headlights. The shape of the headlights are very slim and very wide. It looks just beautiful, and they are positioned low, so the car looks even more aggressive. It has the lane assist, the steering assist, it can automatically brake, it has the automatic parking system. The carbon details continue on the side, and it has a carbon roof to keep the weight down. But let's take a look at the beautiful rims of this car. These are the optional competition rims, and I love chrome and the high gloss black colors on this. At the back, 285, 35, 20 inch. They are a little bit wider at the back. And just look at the design, the coupe design of this car. I love this shoulder line over here. I love the carbon roof to keep the weight down. And of course, it is fully loaded. And before I forget, it has also the M8 logo on the fender over here. It looks gorgeous with the blacked out M8 logo. It has the carbon mirrors, as I said, but the mirrors have also the cameras in it for the 360 degrees camera system. It has the blind spot assist, it has the keyless entry and keyless go function, and yes, it comes with the soft close system as standard. Just look at the shape of the beautiful rear diffuser. I love the blacked out exhaust system, and this car has also the optional M Sports exhaust system, which sounds perfect. Beautiful shape for the rear bumper. This rear bumper is also special for the M8 Competition. And just look at this carbon rear spoiler with this detail in the middle, especially in the sun, just like now. It combines really well with the carbon roof, carbon spoiler and the carbon diffuser. Just brilliant. The rear taillights of this car are the 3D LED taillights, full LEDs by the way. Of course, it has also the rear view camera located over here. And the rear view camera actually turns when you turn the steering wheel. That's a very cool feature. It has the automatic parking system, as I said, and just look at the M8 Competition logo, also finished in a black color. Just perfect. The trunk is, by the way, automatic. You can automatically open it and close it with a button, with the key, or with a foot wave. Now let's take a look at the details of the interior. It has a beautiful M Sport steering wheel. We are now in the M mode, as you can see. The head-up display, the digital screen is different. This is special for the M8. This is the normal mode for the normal driving. And of course there are the M1 and M2 buttons. Let me show it to you. This is the normal M1. It is set up to comfort, as you can see, the suspension, the steering, the engine response, the brakes. But in M2 you can see that everything is Sport and Sport Plus, And the head-up display also changes when you put it in M mode, and the sound is better too. You can also change the information on the side, as you can see, different data you can see on the side. And of course the sound of this car is phenomenal. F1 shift pedals, of course. It has the heated steering wheel. It has the M colors. This part and the M colors is different. And of course the M1 and M2 buttons are different to the normal 8 series steering wheel. It has of course the adaptive cruise control settings on it. It has the options for the volume and the media settings. You can also give it voice commands. It has the lights, which I will show in the test drive. There will be a night test drive with this car, so don't forget to watch that. It has of course the leather dash and leather door panels. Look at the shape of the mirrors. I love the Bauer & Wilkins sound system. It is one of the best. It has a 2-person memory. Lock unlock is on the door. Of course the window switches, the storage area. And look at the head-up display. It's so beautiful in the M mode. Of course you can adjust it or hide it. It has the iDrive system, which is a touchscreen. The ambient lighting has 6 colors, and you can also choose dual colors. But look at the seats of this car. The M8 logo is illuminated at night. The seats have the cooling function and the heating function. And you can adjust the bolsters and the side support, the back support and the leg extensions, of course. The seats are very comfortable and they look good. When you turn on the heated seats, this is also heated, and the door panels are also heated. Over here you have a storage area, USB and an electric outlet. Now the M gear lever, this is a special gear lever for the M8. I love the M color stitched to it and the M logo. Over here you can change the intensity of the transmission. This is the park button, and look at the start button. It's over here and it's finished in red on the M8. Looks brilliant. And this part is also different for the M8. The M mode, the setup, the exhaust and performance exhaust, you can turn it on. Auto hold, electronic handbrake. And over here you have the ESP camera, parking sensors and start stop. Now let's take a look at the camera system. Now of course you have the cameras, the 360 degrees camera system. But this car has also the 3D view. This is so cool. Now the way this works is just like this. There's a camera in the front, camera in the back, and camera underneath the mirrors. So when I open the door, this area is not on this image. When I close it, you can see that the camera is working, because the camera is located in the mirror. That's how it works. It looks brilliant, I must say. Even when you turn the wheel, you can see it move. Awesome. Over here you have 2 cup holders, and this is the key, by the way. This is the display key. Works great. It's a touch screen. You can see the lights, lock, unlock, range and so on. And when you want to charge it up, put it over there and the blue light comes up. 2 cup holders, as I said, a power outlet, the iDrive controller with extra buttons. I love this blacked out M8 Competition logo. Over here you have a climate control setting with heated and cooled seats. You can set it up to heating or cooling, what you want. Over here the climate control settings, as I said, automatic mode and so on. This is for the safety systems. It has the lane assist, side assist, the steering assist. It can see the speed limit and so everything. And of course it has the beautiful steering wheel with that beautiful display. I love this display more, I must say. It has the speed limit, the fuel, the oil temperature. Lovely. It has the Alcantara headliner, frameless mirror, SOS button of course. Lovely. Now this is the normal mode, M1. You can set this up. It's now in Sport Plus, and the M mode, the displays are different. And the acceleration of this car is so good, and it grips like a maniac in corners. Now an acceleration, 0 to 62, full throttle, 50, 100, 150. What a car, what a machine. It's so fast. The acceleration is so immense. It pushes you into the seat. Stay there and enjoy. Just buy this car, live in a tunnel, and sit next to it and look at the car. What a masterpiece. A quick acceleration from 80, full throttle, 100, 120, 30, 130. What an acceleration. Everything about this car is so special. That engine is a masterpiece. It has a sheer engine power that pulls the car so fast, so quick. And the acceleration doesn't stop. It pulls, it wants to go, it keeps going. A tunnel coming up. Oh, what a joy, what a car. I'm in love. Just look at the head-up display, look at the displays, look at the steering wheel with the red M1, M2 button, the start button is in red. Just look at this M logo, the M8 logo in black. The steering is so direct. The transmission response is so good. Instant decision by the transmission. It's so good. Double clutch. If I'm not wrong, it's double clutch. It's so good. And of course you can also shift for yourself, but just pull this to the right. 6th gear, 5th gear, 4th gear, full throttle. At any gears, this car pulls like a crazy machine. This is one of the nicest days in my life. I'm enjoying it. I'm smiling all the time. What a car! The looks, the design, everything is so special about this car. And it's not the ordinary M8, it is the M8 Competition. You can outrun Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens with this car. And when you drive this car, you have no you don't have to improve yourself or try your best, because the car does it for you. What an experience. Of course it has the safety systems, Now it's following the car in the front. I'm doing nothing, not accelerating, not braking, not steering. After a while the yellow lights come on, and after 20 seconds you must touch the steering wheel. The lights go red. Then you can go drive automatically for 20 seconds again. This is a very cool feature. It is fully loaded with the safety systems, but of course it's a M8. I want to drive it. I want to feel that power, that acceleration, that handling. It scares people. Everyone looks at the car, and I'm a car guy, so when people want to hear that engine, I rev the car a little bit at the lights and they become so happy. From 120 full throttle, 150. It's so quick. I will do acceleration from 80 kilometers per hour to 140, so you can see the power again. Now slowing down to 80 kilometers per hour. Full throttle. 100, 130, 150. This acceleration, it's unreal. It's so fast. This car makes me so happy. I love the M8 logos on the seats, which light up at night. Those little things. And that massive engine, the V8 bi-turbo with 625 horsepower. With the M drivers package, the top speed is 305 kilometers per hour, but this car can top 330 kilometers per hour without doubts. You see it in the video. Yes, it's that quick. It's that quick. What a machine. Now speeding from 75 full throttle. Yes, guys. The only problem when you drive these kind of cars is the next car you drive. That becomes like shit. Oh, the car. Oh, the experience. I love it. And in corners, even in corners it's planted to the road. And in the M mode you can definitely feel that the engine is awake. A slightly touch to the acceleration pedal and it wants to take off again. BMW is building brilliant M cars. You can definitely see and feel that they know what to do with fast cars. They definitely built brilliant cars. The combination of everything on this car makes it the ultimate driving car. What a machine. I'm speechless. There are not a lot of moments when I don't speak, but this car is one of them. You get speechless driving it. So good. I love it. I love every every inch of this car. I want to hug it. It even sees the lights. What a car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Alat 61. Take care. Bye bye.